Hi there, students. To be comfortable in your own skin. He feels comfortable in his own skin. This is when somebody is relaxed, they're confident, they know their own abilities, their own position in life, what they are able to do, their abilities. And we use this particularly when presenting yourself, for example, at an interview or when interacting with other people. So, for example, the 16-year-old started playing for Liverpool's first team, but he seemed very comfortable in his own skin with the rest of the team. Yeah, he didn't have problems. He didn't feel awed or uncomfortable because these are all great professionals who are older than him. Yeah. Um, even though all of his friends were much older than him, he seemed very comfortable in his own skin. He had no problem mixing with them at all. Um, so if you go to a job interview, if you can project the feeling that you are comfortable in your own skin, then it's very possible you will get the job if you have enough qualifications for it. It means you're comfortable in that situation. You're happy to be who you are. You're also this comfortable in one's skin gives the idea this is not somebody who is ambitious to be incredibly famous or incredibly rich or to be the best at this. This is somebody who is happy to be the person that they are. And I think being comfortable in one's own skin is really the key to happiness. Because if you're comfortable in your own skin, then you don't want things that you don't have, that maybe you can't have. Yeah. And this is a very good place to be mentally. I mean, place mentally. Um, yeah, the young man seemed so comfortable in his own skin that I'm sure he will find a very easy way through life. Yeah, he's going to. He has an understanding of his own situation, of his abilities. Yeah, he's not asking for things that are just not possible. Yeah, he doesn't want to be more than he is, because at the end of the day we can only be the people that we are. And I think maybe if you're comfortable with your own skin, then you're happy with your place in the world. Yeah, you're happy to be yourself. You like yourself. And you don't have pretensions to be high class or the best at this or the most intelligent, because what's the point in trying to compare yourself to other people? You need to be comfortable in your own skin. You need to be happy to be the person you are. So, comfortable in your own skin. Formality. I'm going to give it a 4 in formality. I think you could use it informally, use it in a semi-formal conversation, use it in a semi-formal writing. I'm not sure I would use it in something very formal. Yeah, and then comfortable in your own skin. So you're comfortable sitting in a chair, and your own skin, well, this is my own skin. So to be inside the body that you have, to be the person that you are. So here, skin is being used as a metaphor for the person you are. Yeah, because we are more than just the skin you can see. So, enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. To be comfortable in one's own skin. Yeah? If you can be comfortable in your own skin, you're going to have a happy life and enjoy yourself. Bye for now.